Hi, I'm Grave St. Claire, and if you're new around here, I'm a bit of a bad boy. A tattooed bad boy. So today, we're adding one to collect. But first, let's start with a tattoo tour. Tattoo tour. Tattoo tour. I have that one. I have that one. I have that one. That one. That one. I have that one. That one. I have that one. That one. That one. I got that one. Now that we have established I am a professional bad boy, I need to now make the poke stick tattoo thing. Here's what you'll need. Pencil. Just one. 4-pack. It was a deal. One red pen. A sewing kit. Ink. And tape. The goal is we're going to attach a needle to the end of this, wrap it in cotton, dunk it in the ink into the skin. When I say it like that, that's a lot scarier than I thought about. But let's give it a go. So a needle, one in focus needle, and we tape it to the pencil. Tight, tight, tight. We don't want it moving on us. Is it going to move? It's not going to move. Perfect. Oh, first, we do need to sanitize it. So, let's put in boiling water. Boiling water. Go down there. Where's a coaster? Let's just use this. Here we go. Boiling water. Clean it off. Now what you do, you get your thread. Got it. And you wrap it around the tip of the needle bit thingy. It's a lot easier to twist this instead of going around. Or both. You can do both. You can do both faster. Now this is the thing that is going to tattoo you. If you are watching this to tattoo yourself. If not, this is the thing that is going to tattoo me. So you get the needle with the cotton wrapped around it. You dip it in your ink. And then you poke little holes in you. The ink draws up into the cotton, and then it puts the cotton ink into your skin. So now, red pen, we have to draw the design on us. But first, we have to prepare the area for tattooing. Namely, I've got to shave my leg because it's going on my leg. Okay, now, next step is you transfer your design that you want to tattoo on yourself onto your body. Here is my design that I am going to... Actually, no. Stick around, watch to the end to see what I tattoo on myself. It will be worth it. And while you're sticking around, please like and subscribe. Please, thank you very much. Or you probably could just scroll to the end, but please don't do that. If you do that, then come back and watch. So yeah, now I'm going to draw the design on with that red pen so it doesn't get confusing when I use the black ink. Let's do it. Oh, I have also moved outside because I am dealing with ink. And I'm useless with spilling things. I spill things a lot. So maybe do it in a safe, clean spot that is fine to get horrifically dirty. Yeah. Okay, I've drawn it on. You can probably zoom in and see what it is now, but don't. Stick to the end. My tattooy, pokey, needle, cotton thing. And my ink. Let's go. You dip it in. Dip it in. Dip it in. See it? Okay, first little prick thing. Oh, it doesn't hurt as bad as I thought. Oh, it does hurt now though. Let's just go for it. Ow, ow, If you're having a guess about what that, it hurts. If you're trying to have a guess about what this is going to be, put your guesses in the comments. Here's a hint. I love it more than anything else in the entire world. Let's have a go. Let's keep going. Tough person time. Be a tough person. Big long run. Lots of dots. Okay, it's really messy now. I'm gonna wipe it off. So it's very faint. I guess we keep going. I've got it. This is just the outline. I've realized this is gonna take a long time. So while this is happening, here's some slow-mo shots of my face while I tattoo myself. Okay, we're done. Perfect time for the reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare yourself for the baddest, assiest tattoo you've ever seen by someone done in his backyard that he's never done a tattoo before. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you art. Oh, look at that. Don't pay attention to the other ones. Yes. Look at that. I've given myself a Monster Energy tattoo. How cool is that? Yeah, baby. Chuffed. Obviously looking after it. I've got some tattoo rub vegan. Ooh. I'm a world saver, and we just put a tiny little bit on it. We don't keep it clean, keep it fresh. Have a look at that, baby. Things I have learnt while tattooing myself. You need a lot more cotton. It doesn't hurt as much as you think it will. It's going to take ages. I got bored and ran out of time. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. I'm a badass, as you know. Click the links. Thank you. Oh shit, it does really hurt. Ow, 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 ow.